Hello, it's DaveTech here again with another quick tutorial. In this one, I'll be showing you how to download the Arte TV application into your Android TV, a TV box, or your Google TV. This method will be using the code method. So all these devices or any devices that have an Android operating system will be compatible. To do this, you will need a download application. Head over to the download application. If you don't have this particular application already, check on the link in the description and you'll find a video showing you exactly how to get it. When you have it, click on it to get in, move to home, and you'll be prompted to put in a code. For this particular Art TV application, the code is going to be 3177648. So using your remote or the mouse, you can type 34. So you could toggle onto numbers. You put 3177648. Verify the code and make sure it is correct so that this could work for you. Hit the go button and your download will begin shortly. Wait for a redirection and give it 5 seconds. So it is counting now from 5 to 1. Be patient and wait for your download to begin automatically. Now that the timer is done, we're expecting to be redirected to a download link. You can see the website is Mediafire and you see this Arte TV v3.8.3. Click on the download button to the right rather, and you could start your download. You will see a progress bar, and as it progresses, your download is going to be complete. After downloading, a few steps remain just to delete the download package and install this Arte TV application into your Android TV, your TV box, or your Google TV. Click on the install button right here, and after a few seconds, the installation will be complete. Perfect. Now you can open the application or hit done. Preferably hit done so you could be prompted to click on this delete button where you could delete the download folder, and this file will save space on your Android TV. And successful, you could go back home and enjoy your Arte TV application on your TV.